Hello, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit Solana on your Phantom wallet. So here, open up your Phantom wallet, and to deposit Solana, it's pretty simple. Just pick Solana right here. It's going to be in the top of your list basically, and all you have to do is press receive to get a deposit on Solana. So all you have to do is scan this QR code right here, or you can copy this and send it to whoever you want it to be received from, and this address can be only used to receive compatible tokens, of course, on the Solana network. So there's going to be a difference if you're using Ethereum Solana or your Wrap Solana and the BNB network. So note that, guys, it's not going to work if it pushes through and you sent it and it's not in the Solana network. Unfortunately, you're going to lose that to nothing at all. So basically, you're going to lose that and you won't be able to get it back. So basically, just send Solana into this address or into this QR code or the copied address right here and paste it up to wherever you need it to, and there you go. It's just that simple. So that's how you deposit your Solana on Phantom Wallet. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.